Your doctor says a Medigap plan is better, but here's the part they don't control: approval. Outside certain enrollment windows, insurance companies decide if you're accepted, charged more, or declined. In this video, I'm breaking down what Medigap underwriting looks at, why people get denied, and how timing affects your costs. If you want Medicare explained clearly, I post twice a week. Medigap underwriting does not always apply, but when it does, timing is a deciding factor. The most important protected window is the federal Medicare Supplement enrollment period. This 6-month period starts the first month you are 65 or older and have Medicare Part B, including when you enroll in Part B for the first time. During this window, insurance companies must accept the application. Health questions cannot be used to deny coverage or increase the premium. There are also Medicare Advantage plan trial rights. If you try a Medicare Advantage plan and leave it within the allowed time, you may be able to enroll in a Medigap plan without medical underwriting. Some states add additional protections such as birthday rules or other guaranteed issue periods. A few states allow switching year-round without underwriting. Outside those windows, health comes into play. Underwriting focuses on diagnosed conditions, not how someone feels today. Heart disease, insulin-dependent diabetes, chronic lung disease, and cancer history are all reviewed closely. They also look at timing and stability. A condition treated many years ago is viewed differently than one treated recently. Changes in treatment, flare-ups, or complications raise more concern than a stable history. This is why two people the same age can have two very different outcomes. Your health history shapes what you can access. Medication lists tell underwriters a lot. Certain prescriptions signal ongoing or higher risk conditions, even when symptoms are controlled. For example, someone with MS or AFib may be stable for over 5 years. If they are still taking medication for it, the condition is usually still considered active in underwriting, which can result in a higher premium. The doctors prescribe medications to treat your health. Insurance companies look at those medications to assess risk. Recent medical care weighs heavily. Hospital stays, surgeries, and emergency room visits often lead to deeper review. Applications may also ask about care that has been recommended but not completed yet, such as upcoming tests, procedures, or therapy. There is no single universal look-back period. Underwriting rules vary by company and state. This uncertainty is where many people get frustrated. Underwriting ends one of 3 ways: approval at the standard rate, approval with a higher premium, or a decline. Planning smarter means understanding timing. Use the federal enrollment period when possible. Know if Medicare Advantage trial rights apply. Check your state's guaranteed issue rules before applying. And gather your medication list and recent care dates before you start. Having this information up front changes how you approach Medigap decisions. Timing gives you leverage. Now you understand something many people don't learn until after they apply. Medigap approval is not only about health. Timing determines what protections you have. Here's how to use this information. If you're approaching 65, enrolling in Medicare Part B when you first become eligible starts your 6-month federal Medigap enrollment window, when medical underwriting does not apply. If you're already on Medicare and outside that window, it's important to check whether any guaranteed issue protections apply in your state. Knowing your timing first helps you avoid applying when underwriting can limit your options. If you found this useful, share with someone planning for Medicare, and drop your questions in the comments. And if you want a simple checklist to help you understand your Medicare timing and options, grab the Medicare Starter Kit in the description. And subscribe. I post twice a week.